Here at Bosley, one of the best treatments we've found for maintaining and building hair strength and thickness is low-level laser therapy. That's why we made the Bosley Revitalizer. Wearing this super comfortable cap at home for just 30 minutes every other day could get you noticeably thicker hair in about 17 weeks. And that's just when you use the Revitalizer by itself. When you use low-level laser therapy in conjunction with other Bosley treatments, your results may be intensified. Here's why we love the Bosley Revitalizer. First and foremost, the Revitalizer can both strengthen and thicken your hair. It's clinically proven to work, cleared by the FDA, safe and effective, and you can use it just about anywhere. This can be one of several powerful choices you make to maintain and strengthen your hair. Start improving the fullness and thickness of your hair today with the clinically proven Revitalizer from Bosley.